garden with Keshia. She'll be glad to meet ya. Take a walk in the park with Keshia. She'll be glad to meet ya. Take a trip with Keshia. She'll be glad to meet ya.
Hello friends, Keshia here. I am in the garden. I am out here this evening. It's about 7:30 or so, thereabouts. I'm not sure, almost. But I'm out here and I have this collard green plant and I also have a cabbage plant there, and they have both bolted and I'm letting them go to seed. I want to collect seeds from both of these plants, and a lot of people don't necessarily know how to collect seeds or even where they come from. So you let your plant bolt, you let it go to seed, it starts to flower, right? It starts to flower. You see these beautiful flowers here, and once that plant goes to flower, it will create a seed pod. Okay, and so what is a seed pod? Okay, so as we look here, you see this right there in the center there? That is the beginning of a seed pod, right? So in the center of this flower, you have a seed pod forming, okay? And once the flower petals fall off, then you'll be able to see completely the seed pod, okay? And so as we go around here, all of the flowers have fallen off of these stems here and left nothing but the seed pod. And those seed pods will continue to grow the seeds inside of them. And from within those seed pods, you will then want them to completely dry, okay? So you want those seed pods to get full of seeds, so they'll thicken up with the seeds inside of them. And from there, you want them to dry. You want the plant to dry completely. It's best to have the seed pods to dry on the plant. So you want to stop watering it as much as possible, okay? So that there's no more nutrients going into this plant. But right now, it is still nutrients going into it because we need those flowers to fully form those seed pods. And to be honest, to be perfectly honest, I have more than enough collard green seed pods because each seed pod will produce quite a bit of seeds because these seeds are really tiny, so they'll produce quite a bit of seeds. So, but I just wanted to share that with you. So those are seed pods there from this collard green plant, and I'll show you. And they look very similar to the cabbage. So here is the cabbage plant. The flowers are very similar here on this plant, and you can see the seed pods forming again inside the flower. And as the petals fall off, you will then see the little seed pods forming, okay? So first you have the flower that will form on the stem. The flower will open up, it will bloom, the petals will fall off, and from there you will then have seed pods that will form along the stem, okay? So just wanted to share that with you, friends, in case you don't know or you're not aware, okay? So in most cases, your bolted plant will flower. The petals will fall off of that plant and it will create a seed pod. The seeds will form in that pod. You will want that pod to then dry out and the seeds inside of it to dry within the pod before you collect them. Now you can collect the pods off of the seeds. Some seeds pods are edible and you can pickle them and eat them. But if you're wanting to collect seeds, you want them to dry either on the plant or you take them off and put them in a place to dry them to collect the seeds out of them once they're fully developed. Okay, so anyway, just wanted to share that with you, friends. Stay blessed, stay beautiful. Remember to be kind to yourselves, kind to one another. Grow something so that you can grow some more somethings. So I hope to do this more and more with my plants. Oh, look at there, I forgot about this one over here, friends. Over here, that is a turnip plant, and that one has bolted, and so there's another little yellow flower forming there. So those are turnip plants there, that I'll be collecting seeds from those as well. So anyway, stay blessed and beautiful, friends. I'll see you next one. Bye.